So you're thinking about moving to the greater Phoenix area, or maybe you own a home in the Phoenix area and you're wondering what's going on with the market. In the past couple of years, the real estate market in the greater Phoenix area has gone absolutely ballistic and crazy. So if you're thinking about moving to the Phoenix area, or you own a home in the Phoenix area and you're wondering what the values are and what the market is doing, you need to watch this entire video, because I'm going to go from segment to segment in the Phoenix area to show you what's truly happening in the real estate market. Now, before I get into the reports and show you all the data, if you'd like to stay current on the Phoenix market, click subscribe and click on the little bell so you're alerted every time we upload a video about Phoenix, the greater Phoenix area, and the real estate market. And while you're at it, click like, that helps me a lot. My name is Troy Sage, and I want to show you a map of the area for those of you that aren't living in the greater Phoenix area. And I'm going to discuss from section to section what's going on in the real estate market. So let's get a lay of the land. When we talk about the greater Phoenix area, we're talking about this red area here. I'm not going to break down Scottsdale individually or every single suburb of Phoenix. And if you want a report like this for your specific home or your specific area, I'm happy to provide this. But I want to lay out for you, we're going to talk about the greater Phoenix area or Phoenix proper. We're going to talk about Buckeye. We're going to talk about Surprise, which is a booming area. We're going to talk about Gilbert. We're going to hit Queen Creek, and we're going to go all the way out here to Florence, because this area is growing like mad. So let's first discuss Phoenix proper. So as of today, I want to show you this scale right here. As of today, it is still a seller's market. Now, I have to tell you that in the past, not that long ago, just a month or so ago, it was up here at 100. So we're currently at a 76 percentile ratio, which means it's still a seller's market until it gets down into the 30 ratio, which is more of a even or standard market. It's still a seller's market. But look at this. The median price is about $540,000. On new listings, it's dropped to $492,000. And you're looking at roughly $309 per square foot. This is a decrease. We have price decreasing. About 45% of the listings right now are doing price decreases, and very few are doing increases. Remember, this is in Phoenix proper. Only 5% are being relisted, and there's 1,830 properties available right now. I can tell you that that is drastically different as I scroll down here from July of 21, 715, 1,830 this year. So what's happened is we have a lot of people that have sold properties and listed properties, and now the market is changing a little bit. Now, don't be crazy on this, because it doesn't mean that prices are going to change. Interest rates went up and it has slowed down, but look at all this inventory. If you've been watching me on YouTube or listening to my podcast, you will know that we have had a supply and demand issue for at least the last 2 to 3 years. We are still at least 18 to 36 months away from having enough inventory for all the people that want to buy homes across the country. Now let's move on to Buckeye. Buckeye is in the far West Valley. It's like the first civilization you come to if you're driving from California. It's the first big area of civilization on your way to Phoenix. Look at what's happened here. It has dropped down to a 70. Your median new listing price is $475, down from $496. Your average price per square foot is $242 per square foot. Again, you're going to see this trend. Inventory has gone up. Well, why has inventory gone up? Because you have investors that have purchased properties that are now trying to sell their properties. Some are afraid of the interest rate change, thinking that things are going to shift in a different direction. I will tell you, I truly believe things are shifting, but it's not going to crash because of the supply and demand issue. Let me show you Surprise, Arizona. Surprise is a booming area in the West Valley, and it's north of Phoenix. So look at these prices, $499.9. Median list price is $524.9. So we're seeing a little shift here in the sales price. $257 per square foot is the average. Again, it's still at a 78. It's still a seller's market. They're not seeing 20, 30, 40 offers per home anymore, but they're still getting multiple offers. So buyers, don't think it's a fire sale. It's not a fire sale. We're starting to see the separation of the shiny penny and the home that needs a lot of work. The homes that need work are not going to yield the returns that they did before. Let's move on to Gilbert, another hot spot. 619,500 is the median new listing price. $295 a square foot is the average. And when we go to Queen Creek, look at what's happening here. $650 is the median price, $285 per square foot. So the East Valley, where tons of people went, lots of industry has already been developed there, and there's a lot going on in the East Valley, super highly desired area in the East Valley. Again, you're seeing more inventory, but 263 homes, that's not a lot of inventory in Queen Creek. Let's move on to Florence. Now, Florence is in Pinal County, and that is the path of progress where the builders have run out of space in Queen Creek and Santan Valley. They're still building there, but the builders are shifting to Florence. Florence, the biggest bang for your buck, $220 a square foot, average median sales price is $390,000. So, and it is at a 69 ratio. Queen Creek at a 70. We're starting to see this trend. 80 in Gilbert because it's still super thumping there. Surprise at a 78. Buckeye at a 70, and Phoenix proper at a 76. So we're seeing things shift a little bit. Now, according to these numbers that I'm showing you right now, we're seeing a little shift in the market. All it means is this: the market has been traveling 125 miles an hour in a 70-mile-an-hour zone for the past 2 to 3.5 years. We thought during COVID, all of this was going to shut down, but it did not. There's a lot of factors behind this, and I'm not going to get into all the factors right now. Basically, I want to educate you and show you what's going on in the greater Phoenix market. Now, if you're thinking about buying a home in that area, it's very important for you to work with a real estate team like mine that is in tune with the local market. If you want more information on what homes are available and what is coming to the market, leave a comment below or reach out to me directly. I'll be happy to show you what's going on in the Phoenix market. Additionally, if you're a seller, it's not time to panic, but I want you to look at your numbers. What we're going to find is that people that need to sell their home are going to start selling their homes, but the speculators are starting to leave the market, which is a good thing for the market across the board. So if you're thinking about selling your home, again, leave a comment or reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to run an exact report on your property to show you the value where it's at today in today's market, so you can make an educated decision on whether or not it's time for you to sell your property. In any real estate market, no matter if it's an up market or a down market, it is important for you as a buyer and a seller to be well informed. This being said, to stay informed, click the subscribe button and the little bell that will alert you every time we upload another video about the greater Phoenix real estate market. My name is Troy Sage, and until next time, my friends, make it a great day.